In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revoke application access in Trello. Managing application access is an important step in keeping your Trello account secure. Whether it's an app you no longer use or one you didn't authorize, removing its access helps ensure your account stays protected. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step of the process so you can confidently revoke permissions from any third-party app connected to your Trello account. It's simple, straightforward, and only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Trello login page. Next, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this by entering your email address and password. Or if you prefer, you can select a single sign-on option, like signing in with your Google or Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to authenticate. This might include entering your password or verifying your identity through additional steps. If your account is set up with multi-factor authentication, you may be required to complete that process before proceeding. This could involve entering a code sent to your mobile device or using an authenticator app. Once you've completed all necessary steps, click the Login button to access your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, locate the workspace you actively use. You'll find your workspace is listed on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on the one you wish to manage. From here, you'll need to access the settings for your account. To do that, click on the drop-down menu associated with your selected workspace and choose the Settings option. This will open up a new page with all available settings for your account. In the top left corner of the Settings page, click on Personal Settings. This is where you'll find options specific to your individual account. Once you're in the Personal Settings section, click on the option labeled Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Application section. This is where Trello lists all the apps that currently have access to your account. Carefully review the list of applications to identify the one you want to revoke access for. Once you've found the app you'd like to remove, look for the Revoke button next to its name and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Confirm your choice by clicking Revoke again. After completing this step, the application will no longer have access to your Trello account. You've successfully revoked its permissions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.